I am launching a business in 12 weeks and I have a 2-hour work block to try and get as much done of my to-do list as possible because I also have a job, so I need to make the most of the time that I have to actually achieve this. I've decided to use my new Pith Lay Flat notebook as my business notebook. So I'm going to keep all the information in here that I need for my research, for my calculations, for my processing, all of that stuff is going to go in here. And I'm going to use my Mark and Fold monthly calendar to map out all the dates. And I'm using my Muji little blank notebook here for writing my to-do list every day. What have we got to do today? The first job is to write all the dates into my calendar. So that's when I want to reach specific milestones in my 12-week year. Also launch dates throughout the whole year. So the typical launches that companies would have throughout the year and any other specific dates. So once I've got those dates in there, I can use that as my framework to hang all the rest of the work around. I also want to have a look at my emails. I've got Omnisend and I want to work out how that works and how to create emails and all that kind of stuff. The next thing I want to do is look at costs, so how much it costs me to make each product. At the moment I'm doing traveller journals and I need to work out how much that will cost and how much to sell them for. Packaging, looking at boxes, tissue paper, little postcards, little stickers, that kind of stuff. And then as well as shipping costs. Most of this is geared towards a founders circle that I'm releasing very soon, and there'll be more to come on that by hopefully the end of the week. But let me crack on with some work. Looking at my dates, it looks like I probably want to launch my company by the 1st of May, which is a Friday. I think that should be quite a good day. It's a bit of a lucky day for me. Let's see. I've been working for about an hour and have been making pretty good progress. I've put all the dates into my calendar. I've had a quick look at Omnisend, but that needs to go on to something a bit more in depth. I've worked out the costs and I'm looking into packaging just now. So what I think I'm going to do, pop out to a coffee shop for a bit of a change of scene and do a couple of errands at the same time. Come with me for a little bit of coffee shop work. I'm just back, it's getting a bit dark now. I've got about 15 minutes before I go and pick my little one up. I got quite a lot of stuff done, so just a few things left to do tonight. And tonight I will edit a couple of videos because I find that easier to do at night time. So just a little bit left about researching shipping costs for parcels in the UK and Europe and the rest of the world. So I hope you enjoyed this and have a good day.